Hello and welcome to PSL Diski Media. Hugo Bros has announced his final Bafana Bafana squad for the international friendly against Zambia on the 15th of November. Here are the players: goalkeepers Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain. Defenders Nkosinathi Sibisi, Thabang Matiludi, Samkelo Kabini, Khuliso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Thabang Moloisani, and Khulumani Ndamane. Midfielders Teboho Mokoena, Talente Mbatha, Masindi Nemtanjela, Siphephelo Sithole, and Bathusi Obas. Forwards Oswin Apolis, Evidence Makgopa, Keletso Magaula, Mohau Nkotha, Lyle Foster, Tshepang Moremi, and Sipho Mbule. So yeah, those are the players that Hugo Bros has called. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these players that Hugo Bros has called? Keletso Magaula and Masindi Nemtanjela have received their first Bafana Bafana collabs. And Hugo Bros has given his reasons for omitting Thembinkosi Lorch, who's on form at the moment. He says, "You have to make choices. Lorch was once with us, I think 2 years ago, when we played in Morocco. He was playing very good at Orlando Pirates. At that moment, his performances were not good. Now he's playing good in Morocco, but you also have to look at his age. This is not the future. I'm very sorry, this is not the future. If I shouldn't have other opportunities, maybe I should take him, maybe. But again, for Lorch, for the moment I don't see. Even though he has good performances in Morocco, I don't see any reason to take him with the team." That's what Hugo Bros said regarding Thembinkosi Lorch. And another player who didn't make the squad is Mduduzi Shabalala. Here's what Hugo Bros says regarding Mduduzi Shabalala. "It's a moment that you can try and pick some other players, and Nemtanjela has made very good performances in Pirates. So I think I have to call him and see how he's behaving in training with the group. That's why Shabalala is not here. It's not a question of he's not playing good or I don't want him anymore. No." So yeah, that's what Hugo Bros said regarding Mduduzi Shabalala. Now those are the players that have been called. Even Relebohile Mofokeng has not been called in this squad. So yeah, it seems like Hugo Bros wants to try something different before next month's AFCON in Morocco. So yeah, the friendly against Zambia will be played on the 15th of November at Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium in Gqeberha. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this squad that Hugo Bros has called? And what do you think of Hugo Bros not calling even a single Kaizer Chiefs player, even though the team is in very good form and it has some players who are playing very good? Let me hear your thoughts down below. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.